Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so guys, today I'm going to teach you another, Seben tutorial, which is, one. We are still on 1454. Hello guys, welcome to another Seben tutorial lesson, all right, volume 2. And so we are still on 1454, all right, chord progression, all right. So it's still, you can still use a song like I, so there are different ways. So I'll just be exploring all the different ways that you can play it. So guys, I'll just play, this one will be on C sharp, okay. So I'll teach you the bass and the right hand. All right, so I'm going to start with the bass. The bass is very simple. All right, so the bass is so with do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. So it's 1 1 4 1 4 5 1 1 4 6 1 4 6. So remember thumb, middle finger, and the pinky. So 1 4 6 2 2 2 2 2 5. Then this other 5 down, all right. This other 5 down, 5 down, all right. So it's 1 4 4 6 2 2 5 1 4 4 6 2 5. Then 5 again, 5 5 1 4 6 2 5 1 1 4 6 2 5 5 1 4 6 6 2 5 1. You can add the 3 3 1 3 1 1 4 6 2 5 1 1 4 6 2 5 3 3 1. All right, so when you're done with the left, so alright, so guys, when you are done with the left hand, the right hand is simple. So we are starting with the one, alright. This is the one, this is the one inversion, this is the inversion, alright. 3 5 and 1. So it's 3 3 3 3 1 3 1 5 6 3 1 5 6. Then you go to, so this is like all right, you go to, so you also go to, all right, this one is like G, all right, this is G, all right, this is G, this is G, inversion. All right, so you also do the same to G. So it's 1 2 2 2 2 7 2 7 2 2 7 5 6 2 7 5 6 2 7 2 7 5 6. So that's it. So it's a my God is good, my God is good. So you can do it, Then when I added this, I increased it, increased the right hand was a bit. I just added. So I'm still playing the same thing but differently. Alright. So I added the same thing. So it's 3 2 5 6 5 5 5 5 6 5 6 6 6 5 2. Then you do the same thing here. So it's just to increase the speed, all right? So guys, that's how that the tutorial, this is our volume 2. Alright guys, so please, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you in our volume 3, alright, of this mind-blowing tutorial lesson. God bless you. Do well to subscribe to my channel.